Devote myself.
Now this is my devotions
Yeah, man.
to my birds.
Yeah, man.
This is when me I forgot you with my birds.
Yeah.
More like when the mother neglect them
Mm-hmm.
and me have to just father them. You see me? So you see, right now me I go up on the road. And because me have this fear, say my baby now go get no feeding and he might pass away. Me I travel with him. Now look at my baby.
What's enough of it?
From him 1 day old, me I take care of him. See him that is a pigeon and ball plate mix together. The mother kick him out of the nest, but and me now have to take care of him. It's not like a me do the coupling and all of that, but me have to be a father because that's what I do. Now I can't leave him alone, me have to carry him with me. See him? So what I do now, I put the tissue around him to keep him warm until me reach when I can get him warmer. You know? So that's it.
It's a father
Jelani.
for fatherless.
Father for the fatherless.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah.